I play Charlie's dad, and who are you?
I'm Kyle.
You're Kyle.
Hello, my name is Seth CHITWOOD. I am the director and the creator of In the Bedroom, and today we're doing an episode called The Snoring Future, and the story is pretty much about a kid named Kyle that is having to share his bed with his father because they're staying at their grandmother's house, and he snores and burps and farts in his sleep, and it just becomes pandemonium for the child.
Ready? Ready? Watch this. Dad, stop snoring!
No, she's so, I want to tell him.
A parade could come to this room and he wouldn't respond. I'm in the bed and like he keeps me up with his snoring and farting, and it really annoys me.
We're here in my basement. We kind of turned this blank room that just had a couch and a desk into all these different kind of bedroom-like set that's kind of old grandmother house feeling. Mary Ryanchuk came in and brought a lot of artifacts that she had from her basement in to kind of make that feel.
I've been practicing my fake burping, so
Oh yeah.
I found that I have a new skill. I can burp on cue.
I can do that too.
You can too?
Yeah.
Nice.